commercial property that I filmed at with TM Brandish last winter. There's a PTAC unit right there. Ream. And there's a little York Latitude unit, which there's the logo right there. There's another unit, window unit. And see, so one down there. But there's got the York Latitude. There's these disconnect fonts. Electric box right there. I don't know if these are heat pumps or not. These I'll spend more time on because they're not by windows, but I don't know. Alright, these are running right here. And are these heat pumps? Nope, just straight cool. There's the data sheet. Work. These aren't running. And I guess there's more over here. There's lots of units on this property. I don't think we're going to get them all running, obviously. It's actually not that warm out today. It's actually really nice, but then again, it's early in the morning. Fairly early in the morning. Talk about a hack job. Look at that. There's one running over here. Here's the iPod Touch right here. There's the time and date, which you really can't see. And there's one up there, which you can hardly see because these are behind bushes. And one of them was running over here, but it had to shut off. Alright. I believe it was that one that just shut off. Had to be. Or I guess it could have been this one right here. There's the entrance to this commercial property, which I doubt there's any air conditioners over in this area, so I'm not gonna. Well, I guess there could possibly be some over here. I'm gonna get off on this sidewalk right here. There's some more PTAC units. And yeah, I think there's some over here on the side. Crap, there's someone looking at that window. They don't care. They just think I'm walking. Oh yeah, here's some. These are tiny ones. a big property. It's bigger than I thought it was, honestly. And I got 1 bar of battery left on the TF1, so I guess that'll about wrap up this. There's 2 more over here that I'll go look at. I think that's all of them after these 2. Hopefully you can hear that one running. Alright. And did we get all of them? Yep. Just the window one's down there. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.